Hello and welcome. This is Cara and I have a new kit. This is the Rainbow Fabric Gusseted envelope kit. There's 6 pages to this kit. It's currently on sale 50% off, which makes it $1.50. 6 pages. Each one of these you can turn into or fold or cut out, not turn into, I guess that's not the right word, a envelope that looks like this that you can store all of your bits and pieces in. You know, if you want to color code your ephemera, you could also attach it to a journal, that kind of thing. Or it would even be fun, I think I might do this with mine, but you could poke holes and then make just like a little book of all the different gusseted envelopes. Anyway, so let's take a look. So here's the red page. And again, there's going to be labels and different pieces of ephemera. If you have any of the other rainbow kits, you probably have a ton of ephemera. So you're like, really? I don't need any more. But I have ephemera and journal if you want to add those to either the front of your envelope or in your journal. Here's the orange page. I mixed this one up a little bit. I have it so it looks like it's typed out on that, what are those, the retro label maker. It says ephemera and junk journal, so you could put those there, or even on these labels. An orange slice and a little clippy. What's the name for that? I'm not sure. Here's yellow. Here I have ephemera, junk journal, and yellow. And then there's more labels. Here's the green page, and this is the page that started this kit. This part was a freebie, what was it, 2 Fridays ago? For this one I added a little ticket down here just to add a little bit of something, so it's a little different than the freebie. Here's the blue one. I just love the starfish, super fun. Again, ephemera, journal, and here's the purple with labels on that one. So if you haven't seen the other kits, or if you're new, what inspired this, well, what first started it was this rainbow kit that I have, which is also in my Etsy shop. But then I made fabric tags, and so the fabric tags then inspired a fabric tag kit. And then after that, like I was saying, that the Freebie Friday then inspired this kit. So the rainbow section of my Etsy shop keeps growing. I don't know how many kits I'm up to now, but there's quite a few. So again, if you're new, you can check them out. Yeah, I can't wait to cut these apart and make a project. That might be my next video. We'll see. Again, oh, and if you want to get the Freebie Fridays, you want to go to my Facebook group, which is Cara, Brandon, and Friends, and you can download the past freebies there. All right, that's all for now. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.